In QGIS, browse or locate your Excel file or spreadsheet file from File Manager or browser. Here, my datasheet of XY coordinate of a community forest I saved here, named CFXY. You can also drag and drop from directly from the file folder. Just drag and drop here, or you can just hold and drop to here. I want to import all those sheets from my Excel sheet or spreadsheet layer into a group. So click on option, select add layers to a group. If you want to add single layer, single sheet, then select on that desired sheet and click on add layers. I want all, add layers as a group. There is my group. Now I have to create point layer from that Excel sheets that are containing X and Y coordinates of my field. Many people use or converts Excel files or spreadsheet layers to CSV to create points layers from data manager from here, data source manager, or someone uses add spreadsheet layer plugins. No need to install any plugins or no need to use data source manager, just use QGIS core function. Locate here, create points layer from table, or you can just find out by typing create points from table from processing toolbox. That is a vector creation tool, core algorithm. Then click on it, select your desired Excel sheet or spreadsheet layers and select X on X field and Y on Y field. If you have elevation layer, elevation column, then select on Z field. If you don't have, let it go, it's optional. Then select target coordinate reference system CRS. My CRS is U2 645, means WS 1984, UTM zone 45N of Eastern Nepal. You can hover and zoom in and out in QGIS directly for your perfect CRS selection. Then if you want to select save the output result of points layer into Shapefile, into GPX, into CSV, into KML, into SQLite, into any other format such as JSON, then select and locate it to your folder. I just want to save in a memory layer and let it as temporary layer. Just run it. It will create point layer in millisecond. You can just rename or recoloring from symbology. Just right click, style, and this will, if you want to edit symbology, then go to properties or symbology or directly from the edit symbol. Now so labels, all the serial numbers are pop up within milliseconds as a symbology. If you want to create polyline or polygon, then install Points to One plugin that is provided by NextGIS, and it helps to create points or points to polygon or points to polyline in single clip. Thank you.